Are you thinking about learning to program but aren't sure which language to start with? Java and Python are two of the most popular languages out there, but they're very different. So, which one should you choose? In this video, we'll break down the pros and cons of each language to help you decide which one is best for you. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about Java. Java has been around for decades and powers everything from mobile apps to large-scale enterprise systems. It's known for its speed, scalability, and security, but it can also be a bit more complicated to learn. You'll need to understand concepts like classes, objects, and methods right off the bat. If you're planning on working with big companies, handling large systems, or developing Android apps, Java might be the language for you. But let's be honest, Java's syntax can be a bit overwhelming for beginners. Now let's talk about Python. Python is known for its simplicity and readability. It's often recommended as a first language because you can quickly pick it up and start writing code. Python's syntax is clean and almost English-like, which makes it less intimidating for new learners. Python is great for data science, machine learning, web development, and even automation. If you want to jump into any of these fields, Python is a fantastic choice. It's not as fast as Java, but for most applications, the difference is negligible. So what's the bottom line? Java is perfect if you're aiming for performance and scalability in large applications or mobile apps. But if you want something that's easy to learn, versatile, and great for quickly prototyping, Python is the way to go. It all depends on your goals. If you're just starting out and want to build a career in fields like data science, AI, or web development, Python is the way to go. But if you're set on enterprise-level applications or Android development, Java might be your best bet. Still unsure? Let us know which language you're thinking about learning first in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more programming tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy coding!